Are you looking for a way to get these kids rounded up for an online conference? Try Microsoft Bookings. Check this video out to learn how. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to utilize Microsoft Booking to set up appointments for your parents. First thing we got to do is we got to find the application. In myoffice.com, I'm just going to click these dots up here. And if I do not see it, which if you've never used it before, you might not see it, I'm going to have to go to all apps and I'll just search up here for bookings. And then I'm going to find it and open it up. Once you get to the booking site, this page is going to appear. Just click Get Now and you are going to add a booking calendar. Go ahead and name it as your name. If you want, you can pick your business type. I'm going to pick junior and middle schools, and then I'm going to click Continue. Once your calendar is created, I want you to go to your booking page. There's a variety of options in this page. I'm going to skip over many of them. We're not going to worry about this quite yet. I would make sure that this is checked to make sure that they are a member of Office 365. I would go ahead and disable a search in the search engine of Google so nobody can find you. We're going to come down here to the scheduling policy. Go ahead and change it to 20 minutes. Have these boxes checked so they get notified of email. Down here, you don't need to have this checked because you are the only staff member, so there's no need for them to select anybody else. Availability, what I would select is make sure that this is changed to custom hours. Now, you can't really avoid from them checking any date, but what we can do is we can just say we're closed on every day except for the day of our conferences. So our conferences are these days. I'm going to go ahead and have all of these as not bookable, so they can only book on Wednesday and Thursday at these times. Availability during these dates, this is really kind of optional, but just to be on the safe side, I went ahead and picked Wednesday and Thursday. I'm only available on those dates. And then I am done with this section. The final step is to go into services and actually create the service. We're going to call it a service. For this particular case, we'll click on services. We'll come here to add a service, and let's just call it fall conferences. You can give a description if you want, but here is the most important feature. Make sure that you slide this over to say add online meeting. The default duration, we can go ahead and change that to 20 minutes. Don't worry about any of these things. And then we're just going to come down here. If you want to, you can have an email to go with them after they confirm. We can enable text messages, and we should be done here. We've already got these set up in our calendar. So now we're done. We just hit save. After you have created your calendar, set your dates, now you're ready to get it to the students. Here's how you do it. There's actually two ways. You could go to booking page and simply copy this link right here and then just send that to whoever you want to sign up for your conferences. Or secondly, you could go to the service page. You can click on the edit here, and same thing, you can get the copy here, or you could share it directly from email from this page. Though Microsoft Bookings is a pretty cool piece of software, it does have some drawbacks. For instance, you will need to make sure your calendar is clear of all events. If you have events in your calendar, parents will not be able to schedule appointments during the times that you have scheduled events. Secondly, we are not able to lock it down to where parents can only select certain days. So they may select appointments on days other than the day the conference is being held. If that happens, you will need to email them and notify them that they need to change their conference to the appropriate day.